In the echoes of a voice so strong, a melody that carried the world along, there rose a song of fierce and true, Hachalu'S, in every note we knew. His voice was the anthem of a people's fight, a beacon in the darkest night. With every lyric, every heartfelt plea, he spoke of dreams for all to see. The strings of his guitar told stories old, of battles fought and futures bold. With every chord, with every rhyme, he wove the hopes of his people's time. In every song, a tale of strife, the rhythms of a changing life. He sang of freedom, of love's embrace, of struggles met with courage and grace. Though shadows fell and tears did flow, his spirit's light continued to glow. A voice that rallied hearts anew in the quest for justice, strong and true. Hachalu'S legacy, like a river stream, flows through the land, a living dream. For in his songs, his spirit stays a guide through tumultuous days. So let us honor the melody he shared, the voice that spoke, the soul that cared. For Hachalu'S songs remain a testament to hope through joy and pain. With every rhyme, he wove the hopes of his people's time. In every song, a tale of strife. In every song, a tale of strife. The rhythms of a changing life. He sang of freedom, of love's embrace. The strings of his guitar told stories old, of battles fought and futures bold. With every chord, with every rhyme, he wove the hopes of his people's time. In every song, a tale of strife, the rhythms of a changing life. He sang of freedom, of love's embrace, the struggles met with courage and grace. Though shadows fell and tears did flow, his spirit's light continued to glow. A voice that rallied hearts anew in the quest for justice, strong and true. Hachalu'S legacy.